When choosing elastomeric materials, two key factors often come up: density and firmness. But did you know these two properties are completely independent of each other?
Let's break it down and show you why.
Here we have two foam samples, foam A and foam B. They may look identical, but let's take a closer look. Both of these foams have the same density, meaning they contain the same amount of mass per unit volume.
To prove it, let's put them on a scale. See, same weight, same density. But that's not the full story.
Here's where things get interesting. Even though they have the same density, their firmness is completely different. Watch what happens when I press down. Or better yet, when we add a weight.
Foam A compresses significantly, while foam B barely moves. That's because firmness isn't controlled by density. So what's going on here?
Let's break it down with a simple example. Density is all about how much material is packed into a given space. Imagine this pillowcase. If we fill it with just a few feathers, it's light. But if we really stuff it full, it becomes heavier and denser.
And in foam, higher density often means better durability. But what about firmness?
Firmness is different. It's about how much a material compresses under pressure, or in other words, how squishy it is. Two foams can have the same density, but feel completely different.
So why does this matter? Because in real-world applications, a high-density foam can either be soft or firm. That's why knowing the difference is crucial when selecting materials for cushioning, sealing, or vibration damping.
The key takeaway? Density and firmness are independent properties. A foam's density does not dictate its firmness, and vice versa.
Understanding both properties is essential for choosing the right foam for your project. And as always, the Rogers and TBP teams are here to help.
In our next video, we'll talk about compression force deflection
and why it matters.